Where are we?
We're in Malolos.
Wow! Where is that?
Bulacan!
Bulacan? My goodness! So far!
Hello, Mr. Puppet Man!
Hello! I miss you!
I'm Mr. Calvo!
Oh, this is Stephen. I'm Stephen. How old are you, Stephen? I'm 6 years old. What do you want to be when you grow up? A grown-up 6-year-old? Stop. What I mean is when you're already a professional. Professional 6-year-old. No. Sometime in the future 6-year-old. After 6 years old, 7 years old. Very smart and sexy. I'm sexy like my daddy. Okay. Today is Kayla's birthday. Kayla, happy birthday. I love you. Why are you dressed in your school uniform? I love my school. What's the name of your school? Ateneo.
Wow!
Ateneo!
I'm smart. And rich. That's enough. And sexy. Is it okay to talk about your school, Ateneo? Yes. No classes today. What is your favorite subject in Ateneo? Math. Yes, I'm the best in the class. Really, I'm the best in that school. Really, yes. What particular in math is your favorite? Addition. Okay, we're gonna test your adding skills. You're easy. Are you ready? Anytime. Stephen, yes. 1 plus 1, 2. Easy.
Oh, you're good.
And sexy. No. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8.
Oh, galing ka.
8 plus 16. Sandali lang. 16 plus 32. 32 plus 61. What's your name? 128. Where do you live? 256. What's your yaya's weight? 512. If the math teacher is not around, hallelujah. What is your next favorite English? If the English teacher is not around, PE. If the PE teacher is not around, hot